Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about one of India's greatest mathematician and astronomers, Aryabhatta. But what exactly made him so famous?
Of course, Aryabhata was born in 476 CE and is considered one of the greatest scholars in Indian history. His work laid the foundation of modern mathematics and astronomy. One of the Aryabhatta's greatest achievements is, which was remarkable close to its true value, he also made algebra and trigonometry.
Wow, did he also contribute to astronomy?
One of Aryabhatta explained that Earth rotated on its own axis, causing day and night. This was a revolutionary idea for his time. He also correctly explained that solar and lunar eclipse happens because of shadows of the earth and the moon rather than the myths.
Did he write any famous books?
Yes, his famous book Aryabhata contained valuable knowledge about mathematics, astronomy, planetary motions and time calculation.
So, why is Aryabhatta still remembered today?
Because his discoveries were centuries ahead of his time across the world, his contribution continue to influence science and education today.
Thank you for the wonderful explanation. Aryabhatta's contribution truly show how knowledge can change the world.
Thank you everyone for watching.